Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to link multiple business accounts to Fundbox. Do you need to link more than one business account to Fundbox? Well, here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. Step 1, log into your Fundbox dashboard. Go to fundbox.com and log into your business your account using your business credentials. Once you're in, step 2, go to bank connections. Now from your dashboard, click on settings and then go to bank connections. Step 3, click add accounts. Now you're going to see your current connected accounts, so just click add new accounts. Step 4, choose your bank. Now you're going to search and select the bank that you want to add. Log in using your bank credentials just like the first time. You don't have to worry, the site is secure, so your credentials are not going to be stored. Next up, Fundbox synchronizes the data. Now once connected, Fundbox is going to pull transaction history from the new accounts. This can improve your credit insights and loan offers. A quick tip, you can link multiple accounts from the same bank. Fundbox uses Plate, so the process is secure and encrypted. You don't have to unlink your first account, both can stay active. Now, linking extra account gives Fundbox a clearer picture of your finances, which could mean better offers later. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.